Welcome to this video tutorial on the opt-out. In this video, I'm going to describe how to use Euclid Desktop to create a rich dossier that includes data that has been opted out of a joint submission. I will describe the process for both partial and full opt-out. In case of a partial opt-out, you should provide in your dossier all the information you want to opt out from the joint submission. For a full opt-out, however, you have to provide all the information required at the tonnage band of your dossier. Once you have completed all the information you want to include in your dossier, go to section 14, Information Requirements, Opt-out information for each registration. Right-click on the section name and choose New Fixed Record. Next, click on the plus sign under Data selected for opt-out. Under the field Documents, click Add. Now you are directed to a list of items that you can opt out. In case of a partial opt-out, you will have to choose the particular sections that you want to opt out, as well as the sections with the information not provided by the lead registrants, but required for your dossier in case the tonnage band of your dossier is higher than that of the lead. For instance, let us opt out section 4.13 flammability by choosing the relevant section and clicking it. The chosen section now appeared in the document field. In case of a full opt-out, you will have to choose all the information provided in your dossier. At this stage of dossier creation, make sure to include section 2.1 and all endpoint study records in sections 4 to 7, namely the information that would normally have to be submitted jointly as per Article 11. However, some of the sections that are mandatory for a complete dossier are not automatically included in the Euclid dossier when you use the joint submission member template, which means that some of the documents must be selected manually to be included in your dossier. In particular, sections 6 and 7 endpoint summaries are required if you have full opt-out for Annex 8 or higher. At the moment, it is not possible to add endpoint summaries in section 14. Those have to be added by using advanced settings when creating the dossier. To include all relevant information, proceed as follows. In the dossier creation wizard, at the first step, select the relevant submission type for the joint submission. Tick the box Use Advanced Settings in the bottom of the dossier creation wizard, then click the button Next and continue forward until you are directed to Verify Selected Documents, in which you can manually include the appropriate documents in the dossier. Under the Entities List panel, we choose our substance dataset entity. We can see the list of documents linked to that entity appearing in the References to panel. In the References to panel, you can use the text filter at the top to show only the relevant sections and condense the sections to more easily locate the desired documents. When you select the appropriate documents, you can verify your selection in the bottom panel Final Outcome. Click Next. Then finalize the dossier creation as usual. And in case you are assessing the joint submission using a token provided by the agency, you need to select the checkbox Data Sharing Issues and provide an explanation in the justification field according to the instructions provided by the agency. Click Finish. After finishing the dossier creation wizard, you can check the newly created dossier and verify that the additional documents you selected to include are present in the final dossier.